page 18. I'm not going to do really any of the computation with you on this. What I'm going to do is help you set it up, and then from there you've got it. The first set, you are not doing any division. You're doing addition, subtraction, multiplication. And basically I just want to help you set it up. Remember, addition and subtraction are set up the same way. I'm going to set up number 2 because that one is subtraction. It's even more important. 7 minus 4 and 5/10. Understand that this is 7 wholes, just like this is 4 wholes. So it's like your decimal goes after it. If you're subtracting, you will line it up like that. You've got the 7 wholes minus the 4 wholes. Now make sure that you don't leave this blank, because the first thing you've got to do is subtract. You've got to make sure that you put a 0 there, so you are aware that when you've got to take away 5, that there's nothing you're taking it from, so you're going to have to regroup. Number 1 will be set up the same, since this has 1 digit after the decimal and this has 2 digits after the decimal. This one will stick out a little bit. You can choose to put a 0 on there, on this number, so that they both have the same number of digits. Number 3, remember, you set up multiplication is just fine like this. You multiply it out, you pretend the decimals are gone, and then after you finish multiplying, at the very end, you go back and you count how many decimals to the right. That's how many decimals are to the right of the decimal. That's how many digits are to the right of your decimal in your answer. This is also multiplication. It's fine to have a decimal in both numbers. You'll set it up just like this. You don't have to move any decimals or do anything. You're going to simply multiply it just like normal, and then make sure you have the right number of digits to the right of your decimal in your product. Now let's look at number 7. You will have, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4 digits. Try to have 4 digits in your answer. 5 goes into 0, 0 times. 5 goes into 0, 0 times, right? 5 goes into 9, 1 time. Subtract. Go ahead and finish from there. Make sure in the very end that you take your decimal and you put it up in your quotient. You really don't need my help on this.